Hello again from GemTrue. It's actually a Saturday afternoon here, so I thought I'd come in the office today and do a little demonstration on our rechargeable LED UV loupe. It's one of our own products. We make this ourselves and we do them in several colors here, as you can see, various colors, but our main color is the black. The nice thing about this loupe is it comes with a built-in LED light source, so when you're viewing stones or jewellery, if you want to have a good close look, then you can turn on the LED light source, which is in this ring here. So it's in this ring here, it's hidden here, and if I just switch it on now, I should just get the there you go. So there you go, and this one is not actually quite fully charged, so if the battery was fully charged this would be really bright, and the camera doesn't do it justice, but you can see that this makes a really nice loupe to check your jewellery, check your watch, and you can check it up close like this, and you get this really nice light source. But as I just said, it's rechargeable, so the advantage there is it comes with a rechargeable lead, which I'll show you in a moment. You can plug in there and recharge, so you don't have to keep buying those silly little watch batteries and changing them all the time. The other advantage with this loupe is it comes with UV as well, so if you pull the switch up you get the white light. If you pull the switch down like that, then you get a UV light, as you can see here. Now the camera is picking out the LEDs quite strongly, but actually to the naked eye it's a more softer light and a more accurate light. It's a correct wavelength for testing the fluorescence of diamonds, so you can use it to check the fluorescence in your diamonds, and that's the main purpose. You don't necessarily have to look through the lens when you're using the UV. You can just, like this, if you want to look through the lens to inspect something that's fluorescing in the stone, then you can. And that's it really, that's the loupe itself. It's a good size, it's not too heavy, but also the nice thing about this loupe is it comes in a carry case. Now this is not the carry case, this is the standard packaging that it arrives in. It comes with your adapter, your wall charger, so you can actually charge it from the wall socket, like so. You can plug that in the wall, and you've got your lead here as well. So you can plug this into the wall socket, like so. And then you can also charge this into here. So this actually plugs into this part here, and then you plug into your wall socket. But if you don't have a wall socket, you can plug it into your PC, into any USB power point, or even into your battery pack. You know, the little battery packs that everyone seems to have these days. So that's it. Oh, I forgot actually. And then also, as I just said, it comes in a nice carry case, like so. So it comes in this carry case, a nice carry case like this, which is supplied in the nice carry case, and it's a zip case. Inside you get the loupe, a small instruction there, and you get a lanyard as well. This is a black one, so if you don't like all the pretty colours, black one. Now you can get this over at GemTrue.com, and you can purchase this on there and it will be shipped out to you. You can buy a few pieces on GemTrue.com, but if you're a wholesaler, as some of our customers are and retailers and that, and you want to buy a bulk order, you can go over to DikaiTools.com, which is the manufacturing side behind GemTrue, and there you can inquire about a bulk order. Of course that reflects the price. If you buy a bulk order, the price will come down a lot more for you to be able to resale. This product comes with a 1-year warranty, standard warranty guarantee, and as I say, it's available over on GemTrue.com. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and look forward to seeing you next time.